Hey gorgeous people, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be bringing you guys another video. I'm trying to be on the videos, you guys, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're new and hit the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. We are about to do our Allure. Yeah, it's definitely Allure. I got the dancing going on, can't even think straight. We are about to do the Allure beauty box unboxing. And you guys see, got some new hair. You guys will see a wig review on this hair right here real soon. I thought it would look cute for the fall. Just a little switch up on you real quick. And I got the Baddie B lashes and hashtag FBoy on. But it's the end of the night, you guys. So we got to get through this video. My eyelashes, I swear, this one is like bugging me for some reason. I think it's just because it's the end of the night. I've been wearing my makeup all day, ready to wash this face off. And you guys, I got the new Kylie face mask and lip balm, so I'm going to be bringing you guys a video real soon on that. And then I also ordered her little mini set that dropped today because I was like, okay, before I invest in the whole entire set, I didn't even think I was gonna ever want to use that at all. Mainly the scrub, if you guys saw my video, but I was like, let me try it because I was seeing a lot of good reviews about it and my face has been breaking out, so I'm like, all right, I'm gonna try something different. So we shall see once it comes in. And the little bag was super cute, and I'm a sucker for bags, you guys. I'm a sucker for it. And me and my husband are going on a mini vacay for his birthday, so I was like, that's gonna look cute. That's gonna look real cute. But let's get into none other than the Allure beauty box, because you guys know I will talk you to death. So let's get into it. So they have them back in the boxes now. I feel like they did this because every time the bags were coming, they were breaking. So if you guys saw any of my Allure beauty box videos, all the bags were always broken. It was so annoying. So I think that is probably why they just went back to the normal box. So we have the cute packaging. Love the girl. Gorgeous. The whole natural thing going on. And then, of course, it just gives you like an overview of pricing. It tells you like how to use stuff. It just gives you like a whole in-depth look. So the first thing we got, which is on the first page, is the Peter Thomas Roth, which, if you know, Peter Thomas's stuff is so freaking pricey, you guys. It is pricey. So I'm excited to try this. This is Water Drench Hyaluronic Cold Cream Hydrating Moisturizer. Whew, that's a mouthful. It says 30% hyaluronic acid complex, draws, oh my god, all the big words, okay? Vapor, it helps lock in hydration for up to 72 hours, and it's for all skin type. All skin types. It's late, okay? Don't judge me. It's late. But yes, so this obviously is the sample size. You see it usually comes in something like this. Whoop. And now, and this goes for $52. And there is a promo code, and it is valid from November 1st until January 1st. And it is PTRALLURE at checkout, and you get 10% off. So that's that. What's next? We got a lipstick. I usually don't wear reds, you guys. So this is Rainforest of the Sea Color Splash lipstick, and it is in Miami Vice. Oh, the packaging is gorgeous. It's so pretty, you guys. This is what it looks like. So it's more of a deep, ooh, it's so creamy though. Look how freaking pretty that is. Should I just put it over this? I just want to see what it looks like and how it wears, because the lipstick I'm wearing anyways is so drying. What do you guys think? You guys tell me what you think. What do you guys think of this lipstick? Obviously I got the green going on, so I'm like, what do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Guys, literally, I get so oily. Tell me your tricks and tips of how to keep yourself from being so oily, because your girl's oily. Goodness gracious. And then the ring light, of course, does not help. But yeah, it's pretty creamy, you guys. Obviously, I put it on top of that other lipstick. Well, the other liquid lipstick that I had on. But hey, I think it's okay. It's okay. So the next one, oh, that is $21. And they have a coupon code for 15% off, and it is Tarte Allure NOV, of course, for November, and that is active until January 20th, 2020, guys. 2020, what? That's freaking crazy even saying that. Okay, so next we have Belief. Belief, this is a really good brand, you guys. Really, really good brand. Hungarian water essence. Okay, so this helps with skin hydration. It's perfect. It's going to be wintertime, so obviously they're like, hydrate your skin, okay? Keep your skin hydrated. Clearly, your girl is hydrated because I'm oily as heck. Or maybe my skin is just producing super oils because it's not hydrated. It's a good one. Okay, so this retails for $42. So obviously, this is not the $42 size. It's just a sample size. Next page. Okay, next we have the, I don't know how to say it, Raeka, R-A-E-K-A. All right, it's late. It's real late. R-A-E-K-A, illuminating turmeric polish. Ooh, it's a turmeric face scrub. I'm actually going to probably try this tonight. This goes for $32. That's what it looks like. Got that cute little gold handle, so obviously sample size. And you can use code Allure for 40% off, and that is valid until January 1st. The Belief didn't have a code. That's why I didn't tell you guys a code for that. But I will check that out. The lipstick was obviously full size. The next thing we got is Curology, the cleanser. I'm excited to try this because my husband's been looking at it online, and he keeps talking about it, and he wants to try it. So I'm like, what better way? I got one, so we're going to try it. This is $19.95, and you can go to Curology.com/Allure for an Allure exclusive gift. Ooh, when you sign up for a free trial of Curology. I'm definitely going to have to do that. And that is valid until January 1st. So this is the wavy, or it says wavy more than a cleanser. This is dope. Clean sweep. I'm excited to try this out. Let's see what it looks like. And $19.50 is not bad. So of course this is probably, again, just a sample size, but I'm excited to try it out. Why not? Next we have, of course I dropped it, the e.l.f. Gentle Peeling Exfoliant. This goes for $10. And if you use code Allure Gift at checkout, you'll receive a free rose gold eyeshadow palette when you spend $20 or more. That is valid until January 31st. So that, of course, is on e.l.f. Cosmetics. Oh, I got something extra in here. That's weird. It's not on here, but I got an extra little gift. I got this. Oh, let's finish talking about this before we go on to that. So this is the Gentle Peeling Exfoliant. I'm so excited to try this because I'm just obsessed with skincare, you guys. Like, love skincare. I'm a skincare junkie, makeup junkie. So I'm excited to try it. Let's see what it looks like, what the bottle looks like. Is it pretty enough to sit on my counter? I think it is. It's super cute. And of course you get a full size bottle. I love that. And it says use 2 to 3 times a week. So hey, everything pretty much covered the bag. The bag is $16.50 or $16, something like that, $16 monthly. So these alone would way over cover this because this is $10 and this is like, I think it was $22 if I'm not mistaken. Let me look just to be sure before I quote something. $21. I was off $1, okay? But yeah, so I think that pretty much covers the box alone and just those two, and then you get some extras. And then they sent me this Laura Geller New York Incredible waterproof gel eyeliner pencil, and it says brown eyed girl. I don't want to mess it up. I don't want to mess it up. So nice. This will be a pretty eyebrow color too. Ooh. Oh no, can't do eyebrows. It has a glitter in it. So if you guys see those glitter reflects. So yeah, it's pretty though. I like it. Super, super pretty. So that is all that came in this month's box. I do have boxes from the other ones. I didn't do an unboxing of those because, again, it's so late and I have 2 to unbox. So I'm just going to use the products. Follow me on social media, Make Me Up Gorgeous 19, and I will do like a mini unboxing on there. Also, you can follow me on my Snapchat just so everyone can kind of see what I did get, because again, I'm not doing an unboxing on here just because it is late. I know sometimes I do like the comparisons just to see what is better, like I did with Ipsy for this month. But again, I have 3 total, so I'm just like, okay, no. They did come late, and then I ended up moving, so I had to change my address. So I think that put obviously another like stop in everything and had everything coming late, which sucks. But yeah, that is it for this video, you guys. Again, I'm gonna have tons of videos coming soon. I have some wig reviews for you guys. I got some new stuff coming, some new goodies, some new makeup. So a makeup tutorial will be here soon. I love doing reviews for you guys. Reviews are so much fun. So let me know in the comments if there's any type of review you guys want to see me do. Let me know. Add me on my social medias, you guys. Ooh, this wig is bothering me. It's bothering me. I'm gonna have to brush it real quick. But yeah, so I will definitely be having some reviews coming. Again, I ordered the new Kylie Skin little mini set. I ordered the face mask, so that review will be coming soon. Wig review on this hair will be coming soon. I do like to wear my wigs a little bit before I give you guys a full review. That way I could really be honest with you guys on the wig. But yeah, so I have a few videos coming. I have some new BH Cosmetics goodies, so I'm excited, you guys. So stay tuned. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, you guys. Hashtag notification squad in the comments if you are part of the hashtag gorgeous squad, okay? And I will have all the links to everything in the comments, so check it out. Good night.